Hey everybody, I'm Kara Plichinich. Welcome back to another fun, fast, and fabulous Photoshop tutorial. Today I thought I would take a minute and show you how to use Photoshop's built-in symmetry tools to draw or paint a perfectly symmetrical four-leaf clover. I'm Kara Plichinich, and I make it easy to learn Photoshop, photography, and more with fun project-based classes available whenever you are. Find them all at karaplichinich.com along with the free creative toolkit to jumpstart your next project. So here I've just got a blank 5x5 document. In the layers panel, I have a blank background. I have a blank layer called Clover. This is where we'll be doing our painting. And then I just have some bonus design bits to kind of finish it off when we're done. So on this blank layer, that's where we'll be working, and I've got my paintbrush over here. If you've watched my videos before, you know I love taking advantage of the fabulous Kyle Webster brushes available for free for all Creative Cloud subscribers, and I will link to another video I have that shows you how to get those brushes. So the one that I'm using today is in the Winter Brush collection, and it's called Golden Age Tilt. So the first thing we want to do before we just start painting or drawing is, with the brush tool active, we want to come up here into the control panel where we see this butterfly icon. If we click on that, we see that there are a whole ton of built-in symmetry options. The one I'm going to use for this example is called dual axis. So I'm just going to click to pop that up, and you can see it appears in a transform box. So if I wanted to enlarge this, I certainly could, but I think for my purposes today, this is actually going to be just fine. So once I'm happy with that placement, I'm going to go ahead and click commit. Now comes the fun part. We just draw. So we only have to draw one clover leaf, and it will just appear in all the other three quadrants. So I'm going to actually start about here and just kind of come up and make a gentle little leaf and bring it in, maybe about here. Tend to get a little bit overboard. And then I'm just going to color it in as carefully or not as we want. Kind of like it looking a little bit sketch. And there we have it. So simple four-leaf clover. Now I want to add a little bit of a stem down here. So before I do that, I'm going to turn off the symmetry. So I'll come back up to the butterfly and click symmetry off. And now I can come in here and draw a little stem coming off of here. And that's great. And then maybe I want to scale the whole thing down. So I might pop up free transform. Just going to position it up here because I know I want to make room for a little message down below. And maybe I want to rotate it ever so slightly. And that looks good. And then all that's left is I can turn on my fun little additions, which, just to show you what those are, I have a blank layer here with some glitter added to it. I have a spatter layer and a couple texture layers, and then a type layer. So may all your rainbows lead to gold. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, and I will be looking forward to seeing you back here again soon.